Let me tell you a little secret you don't know. Everyone is a content creator. Activist, CEO, business person, everyone is a content creator now. Why? Because to me, it's giving three things. Number one, relevance. People see you every day. Number two, you can use it to promote your business, promote your activism, promote whatever you're getting into or you're doing. And number three, you're still getting paid just for doing those content. So you see why you see billionaires, they're still doing content. Even though they don't need the money, at least they're getting the relevance and whatever they want from that. They're using it to promote their business and support political, whatever they want to do. And also, they might still be using the money to do small things. You might think they don't need it. Billionaires are the ones that even want money most. You know? Just another money thought. Think about it. Cheers.